Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is a satisfying and fun video in which I'll swatch out all the colors of the Winsor and Newton professional watercolor range, and I'll show you a very close up view of each and every color as I swatch it out. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll also in between say which colors I like to use and which colors give nice mixes with another color. So just small tidbits of info in the middle of this, in some parts of this satisfying swatching video. So I hope this helps you make choices on which colors to have in your palette, which new colors to add in your palette if you want to build up your color collection, or if you are looking for new colors to add and more things to paint. The top part of the swatch is a darker consistency of the color, and as we come to the bottom it's lighter. Winsor Lemon is a really nice semi-transparent color which I use a lot for yellow flowers, for mixing grays, for mixing greens. A very useful color if you are more into painting botanicals, especially like me. Winsor Yellow is a nice mid yellow. It's neither too cool nor too warm. Transparent yellow also gives really nice green mixes. Winsor Orange looks like a really nice orange. I have not used it in my paintings, but I'll definitely get this one now. Transparent orange is one of my most favorite colors. Very useful in orange flowers, and transparent orange plus cobalt blue gives a really nice brown. Scarlet Lake is a really nice light warm red. Quinacridone magenta is another one of my really favorite colors which I use a lot in botanical art. Winsor Violet Dioxazine is another very useful color in your palette. And Winsor Violet plus Winsor Yellow Deep gives a really nice brown. Indanthrene blue is a very useful blue, especially if when you are painting very dark and glossy leaves. Quinacridone gold, or now it's called as transparent gold deep also, is a very useful color, and I really like how it looks and very useful for painting subjects like onions. Light red plus cobalt blue is a very easy way to mix grey. Do try it out. If you are painting a very dark green leaf, do mix your greens with indigo to get a very dark and intense green. It's so close up that the whites are also visible nicely. Titanium white looks like a more brighter white, but I don't use white watercolor in my painting because the white of the paper is the brightest white. Now let's move to the next page. More yellows first. Winsor Yellow Deep is a very beautiful warm yellow, and this is the warm yellow which is a staple in my palette and I use it a lot. It's semi-transparent also. Winsor Red is a very beautiful mid red which is also a staple in my palette. Quinacridone Red is a very beautiful color and I do recommend that you have this in your palette. Permanent alizarin crimson also I have in my palette because this one is very useful for painting darker red flowers. And permanent rose is my most used and most important color in my palette. It's a very beautiful transparent pink. Do have it in your palette. Cobalt blue is another important color in my palette. Very useful for painting subjects with bloom and with bluish highlights. Windsor blue green shade is the staple cool blue in my palette. Very beautiful color, gives really nice green mixes. Winsor and Newton's permanent sap green is the most natural green which I have come across all brands and all the greens which I have tried, and trust me, I've tried a lot earlier on in my journey. So if you're looking for a natural green, you can get the permanent sap green, a natural pre-mixed green. Green gold is a very beautiful color. and that is the last swatch. I hope you enjoyed watching this satisfying swatching video and it helped you decide which colors to get. If you are looking for more in-depth color mixing videos in which we mix many shades of secondary, primary even, and tertiary colors from a set of primary colors, do check out my Patreon art membership. It has a full series on color mixing which is in depth, and it has examples also from nature which we mix and match. So that will be really helpful for you if you're looking for in-depth videos on color mixing. So the link is in my description and in my channel bio also. If you have any questions about this swatching or about any color in this whole dot card, drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, do let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye and take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.